guys, today you guys with me again, Nina. Today I have new campaign for the expander class that I would like to introduce to you guys. With this one, expander class, I have low interest with 0%, with down payment 25% with 48 installment. I will show you guys what you will get with that campaign, okay? The first thing you will get with this embossed the name of expander clause. With this, you can choose between silver or black color. Only two options for you to choose. And the next thing that you will get is the Android Auto Display. Normally, you cannot play YouTube or any application with the music during while you're driving. I will give you the 12-inch Android Auto Display. You see over there that you will get. That's the thing that you will get. One thing you will get extra is the electric door open. Normally, expander clause do not come with electric door open. So, with this campaign, I will give you with that. I will show you guys how it works. So, you need to have key in your pocket or in your purse, and then you come here and you just click, and then it's open. So after it's open, there's two ways to close. You can do it by close like that. I will show you one more time. You open, right? Okay. And then you want to close it again. You can just simply click it again. It's closed. Okay. So that's what you get with the campaign. So the customer who owns this car, she don't want to have the body kit or anything. She just want the car that exactly just how it look. So I give her the extra like the Android display and the electric door open. If you want more, you don't want same as her, you can just call me at my phone number 064 519 9791 to discuss what you want to have. Maybe you want something else, you just let me know. Or you can also text me at la application at my ID. I let it here. Or you can also, maybe you just like, you want to come to see the car, you want to test drive, you want to try it first before you buy it. You can come to see me at the showroom. My showroom is named Rung Chalerm. So it's opposite to Bang Na BTS station. It's just not far from there. You can come to the showroom and we can discuss what you want. Before you come, you need to make an appointment with me in advance first, because at the showroom we don't have so many staff to can communicate in English, so that I can be here to help you, to guide you through all the process. That's it for the campaign today that I have for you guys. So let's see next time what I have to do to you guys, to let you guys know. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.